guys, this is Mark Geraldir, your future Marino. And today, let's talk about my passion. First of all, do you know what is passion?
A passion is a value that holds significant personal meaning or an activity that you enjoy.
And now, you know what is the meaning of the passion. So, let's start. Ever since I was a kid, I like to play physical activities like basketball, volleyball, badminton, and other sports that conveys physical activity. But above all of the sports that I played, I really like to play basketball since basketball is a good sport and also the rules are very simple. Since basketball is my passion sport, I really focus on how to play the game and simply study the rules. And since I was oh, after that, some of the people noticed me on how I was good in playing in that sports. I tried to join a league and luckily there is a league competition in our barangay and Purokdos chose me as one of their representative to play in that sports. But sadly, we don't win that championship and I learned that I need to improve more and listen to the coaches so in the next season I can play well and can win a championship. That the town of Corelia made an announcement which they will have a inter-barangay competition under 18 and one of the barangay should choose 15 players in their barangay and my barangay I was luckily to be chosen in that competition. So after that, since I learned a lot, experienced a lot, we win a championship luckily. And this is the jersey that we win that championship. I I was acting like crazy, jumping like crazy and also celebrate with my team since I learned a lot, experienced a lot in that last championship. Aris Samentado, the mayor of the Bohol, made an announcement which he will gonna have a governor's cup which is your town gonna be competed to other town in the Bohol and that they have a tryout. So I try. After that, I was luckily to be chosen as one of the 15 players to compete in our town in going to other town. And this is the jersey Corelia. And also they have a warmer. It's like a jacket you can which you can wear after and before the game. The town is still playing on and I was still playing on, still practicing my skills and I need to improve more. And after that, I also need to balance my basketball career and my school career, which is I school at PMI. And I'm hoping one day that I can pass this course BSMT and that gonna be rich soon. Since basketball is my career, it doesn't mean I don't need to study or just letting things be. I need to study because basketball is just there if you're alone, anxiety and other more. But you need to learn and graduate so you can find a good job in the future and also you can be rich soon. So don't pursue too much in the basketball. Just play it and don't be pressure. That's it. Bye bye.